Alright guys, welcome to part 2 of this video where I'm showing you a 360 camera. Now this is different from the other 360 cameras that you've seen on the channel. This is not a fisheye system. Or well, in a way, it kind of does look like a fisheye if you look at it like this. But this one has two cameras, one mounted on each side of the thing. So just like some animals, it'll look at you from the side like that. Anyhow, it's not very human looking. Unlike the Lenovo that has both of the eyes on the front and is 180, this is a 360, so it'll capture everything on this side and everything on this side, and then it will stitch it together like magic. And you don't have to do any of the stitching, which is the best part of this camera. All the other cameras that I have, you have to use a software afterwards to do stitching, which is a painful thing. But this one, I'm hoping, will not have that issue. At least that's what they advertise.
Likey.